So, hi my dear friends, today it's the February 2nd and we finally have waited for this special day because Fed raises the interest rates by 25 basis points. As expected, there's been the huge volatility and it is still going on. At the same time, Powell said that we are not yet at a sufficiently restrictive level on rates and that's why it is still possible to happen. He also mentioned that the demand in the labor market is still significantly exceeds supply, but inflation has slowed down. However, we need more evidence to see this decline, yes? So therefore, it is still impossible to relax now. We need to work hard. And let's go to XBT Prime Exchange and analyze the Bitcoin. So last time on the Bitcoin chart, we identified channels for resistance and for support. Let's divide them by colors. The resistance will be red and the support will be green. So it's something like that. Now we need to add a local level for Bitcoin in the zone of $23,000 where the price has been moving for several days in a row. Let's change the color here. Let's make it white and a little bit thicker. So the price has been moving around this level for several days, bouncing from it and approach it again, trying to break through the upper resistance level, but here, as you can see, without results. Let me remind you, it starts at $24,000 per Bitcoin and there's been unreal volatility in the market today. Let's look at the smaller time frame, and this is the event that we all waited for, that we needed to wait for the announcement of FOMC rate decision. We see how the price was bouncing from one side to another, and that's why we need to trade very carefully now. The price can move both up and down. It's about the liquidity. Well, let's go back to the daily chart, and I think that in the near future we have a chance that there will be the try to test that $24,000 level, and if the price goes beyond it, there is also a Bollinger line, this is the upper line, and remember that the price moves from line to line. Perhaps now this is the best position to go short, but the market is still volatile. Perhaps the price will just fly up with one big green candlestick from $24,000 to $25,000 level. If there is no resistance, if there is no fixing in this zone, then it will be positioned to go short indeed. Look how it was here. You see the price tried to break through but couldn't. It didn't fix itself, then dropped below the level and went even lower. Then there was one big red candlestick because from $23,000 level to $21,000 we had nothing that could stop it. If you go below $22,000 level, then we have this $21,000 or $20,000 level for Bitcoin. From here we also look if the price is at this level, so it can happen next that the price surely moves up from level to level and will be moving like this for a while. If the price isn't fixed here, we expect a further drop, and here the next bottom will be $16,000–$17,000 for Bitcoin, and here in this range. So let's activate the RSI indicator, let's add it and see what it signals us. So this indicator shows the trend of the trend, and we see that this trend is slowly decreasing. We are already at the 71 mark and there is a chance that it will bounce. But for now there are more chances from this level that the price will go down lower into the 50-40 zone as it was in history. But I remind you that the market is still volatile. The chance that the price will break through both the lower and upper levels is quite high. The Fear and Greed Index also shows that the greed is ranging, and it means that people are afraid they are late and missed good prices, but it is not so. The market will always give you the opportunity to buy at good prices. You just have to wait, do not rush. The trend hasn't changed yet. Remember about risk management. Well, let's look at the Bollinger Bands. They are beginning to gradually narrow and it indicates the accumulation, and in the future this may lead to a large momentum in one direction, but when it happens and what kind of momentum it will be, we need to find out in the future. Now I'm not entering the position, but I'm expecting a breakout of $24,000 level, and then I will look and probably I will go short. We're already approaching this $24,000 level and already testing, and see, the market already tried to break through the resistance level of $25,000 for a Bitcoin. It was a repeated attempt. So let's take a look at the first test. Here a decline, then drop below $23,000, a rebound from the level, and again an attempt to break it through. The price tried to fix itself but couldn't do that. It went down to the local level of $23,000. There were some attempts again, then fixed in this zone but didn't reach the upper level. There were small breakthroughs and there was no fixing. After that the price fell down from the upper Bollinger Band to the low one. You know, I've seen it in the textbooks already. So here from the bottom one to the top one here, and then it again moved. Maybe we will have the same movements for a while, because this period lasted from July 19 to August 19, a month. So the price has been moving in this range for a month. $23,000, $24,000, $25,000 for a Bitcoin, and it repeatedly fell down to 21 and then it went to the bottom. So guys, that's all what I wanted to tell you. I've analyzed, and I guess that you have your own ideas, your own thoughts. Please write in the comments everything you want to share, your ideas. So guys, that's all. That's all that I wanted to share with you. We analyzed this chart together, but maybe you have your own ideas, your own thoughts. Please write these thoughts in the comments under this video. And also, I am inviting you to register on the Prime XBT exchange, because you will also have this chance to analyze, to follow the news of Bitcoin, of everything you wish. So the link to the Prime XBT exchange is in the description under this video. And if you register using my link, you will get the discounts on commission, and as well as you will get the opportunity to get a bonus up to $70,000. The link to the Prime XBT exchange is in the description under this video, and if you register there using my link, you will get the discounts on commission and also the opportunity to get a bonus of up to $70,000. So use it. I'm giving you all the best that I have. So I wish you good trading, wish you good luck and cool mind while trading and analyzing the market.